Coinbase stock is making big moves, but is it a smart investment right now? Should you buy, sell, or wait? If you're even thinking about investing in crypto or stocks, you need to hear this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's been grabbing a lot of attention lately, Coinbase stock. Whether you're new to investing or just curious about crypto companies, you'll find this video helpful and easy to follow. Let's start with the basics. Coinbase is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States. It lets people buy, sell, and store digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. Coinbase makes money by charging fees every time someone makes a trade. As crypto became more popular, Coinbase grew fast, and in April 2021, the company went public on the stock market. Its stock ticker is COIN. Now here's where it gets interesting. After going public in 2021, Coinbase stock hit highs over $300 per share, but soon after, it started falling, even dropping below $40 in 2022. Why? Because crypto crashed, and when crypto prices go down, Coinbase earns less from trading fees. Plus, government regulations and lawsuits made investors nervous. But in 2023 and 2024, Coinbase started bouncing back, thanks to Bitcoin's recovery and more people trusting crypto again. There are three big reasons investors are watching Coinbase closely. Bitcoin ETFs got approved. Big money is entering crypto, and that's helping Coinbase as a major player. Strong Q1 earnings. Coinbase recently reported strong profits again, showing signs of growth. Mainstream adoption. More businesses are accepting crypto, and people are using platforms like Coinbase to manage their digital assets. All of this is making people ask, is now the time to invest in coin stock? Here's the simple truth. If you believe in the future of crypto, Coinbase might be worth looking at. But remember, the stock is still very risky. It depends heavily on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and how often people trade. Also, the US government is still deciding how to regulate crypto. If new rules come out, it could hurt or help Coinbase. So don't invest just because of hype. Always research, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Coinbase stock has been on a wild ride. It's risky, exciting, and tied closely to the future of cryptocurrency. So, would you invest in Coinbase? Or are you staying away from crypto stocks? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more simple breakdowns like this.